Hi, welcome back in Taruna channel. You can subscribe and click notification if you are not yet subscribed so you don't miss my next video. In this night we will discuss about using the simple form after let and help, and we continue with if clause plus imperative / suggestion. Now we review first topic. That is using the simple form after let and help. I gave you the example. The boss let the secretary type the proposal. He lets his friend borrow his bike. Let is always followed by the simple form of a verb, not an infinitive. For example, my sister helped me clean my room. My sister helped me to take my book. Now we continue with the second topic. If clause plus imperative / suggestion. If clause plus a reminder. If you want to sleep, you have to take a medicine. If clause plus a suggestion. If you want to get the best result, you must practice much. If clause plus a general truth. If you don't put some cherries on it, your cake will look pale and dull. If clause plus an imperative. If you want to be the best president, offer a good program to improve the people's life. If clause to show a dream. If I am elected as a headmaster, I will make free the cost of poor student. Yup, that is some example for if clause. We can continue our talking later. Thank you for your watching my channel. And remember, always stay on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, so that we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination for senior high school in my next video. See you soon.